float, I can fly us to the highest mountain top. I can breathe you, I can drink in your laugh, I can live on your smile. I can trip and if I can fall into your arms, I can stay there my whole life. I can live, I can love, I can be there with you.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. You're tuning into a hair tutorial. Y'all, this hair is beautiful and it is featuring Elfin hair. This hair came very fast. Like when I say it came very fast, I literally just did this tutorial the next day. But y'all, thank you so much. Shout out to Elfin Hair for sponsoring this video, and they gave this beautiful curl texture, and also some more stuff that came in the bag as well. I don't want to keep y'all long. I want y'all to go right into the video. I will be telling y'all exactly what hair it is, but definitely check them out in the description right below. And if you want to see how I installed this, then keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's sponsored video is going to be from Elfin Hair. In the box they sent me some lashes, the wig, and also the wig cap, comb, brush, and some instructions for the wig, y'all. This wig is a 24-inch 4C edge 5x5 HD lace closure wig in deep wave 200% density, y'all. So I was like, why is these curls on this lace like that? Because it's a certain texture. It is that 4C edge texture, and I'm like, okay, it's curly, but I'm like, let me straighten it out a little bit. Anyways, I love how the knots were small on this wig and it just came out perfect. What you're seeing here is me basically getting ready to put this wig on my head. I went ahead and did all the necessary things, like I went to go shower, y'all, and I washed my face. So now it's time to get cute, okay? So I went ahead and I put this cap on and I sprayed along the hairlines. Now I can't do just the closure part because I don't have like no braids or ankle braids to just sew it, just a specific cap in a certain area. So I just went ahead and left the sides. Now I went ahead and bleached the closure, and I'm showing y'all exactly what I did. But look, it is getting those knots, and let me tell y'all, when it came out, no knots. Do y'all see any knots? No. That closure looked like it's about to melt in my head, and it did. Okay, so I went ahead and just basically, it's still like a little wet, but I went ahead and just started hot combing certain areas. Not pluck this wig yet, but I'm just basically ironing it out to basically make my middle part, and then I want to start plucking, y'all. I did insert video clips in here of me plucking this wig, y'all, so y'all gonna actually see me pluck this wig. But look how the bleach just basically disappeared those knots, period. So this is the texture of the hair, y'all. I am just basically trying to comb it out while it's wet a little bit and make it a little bit poofier because I want it big. I did put some layers in it, but after I plucked and everything like that. So when it comes to plucking, I want to explain how I do this. Zooming up a little bit closer, I just basically parted a certain part. I part 3 times. So this is my first part. I went ahead and went into a circle shape, not straight across, a circle shape, because I like to leave a little piece of hair right there by the middle part. So I'm gonna take my tweezers and I'm going to skip sections, and pluck. So in any open areas I see, I'm gonna just pluck until I get the desired look that I want. There's so many ways and so many different styles you can do plucking, okay? And trust me, I executed the way that I like to pluck. But I seen this one girl and she be plucking, but her plucking, it's like some areas be thick and then other areas, like what's open, it is like where she just plucked the hair at. I'm like, dang, okay. But yeah, this is how I pluck. I go in areas and I just pluck. Okay, this can take up to like maybe 40 minutes to an hour because you have to get those hairs out. And Y'all, it was easy. The hairs were easy to come out, and like I said, the knots were really thin because y'all don't see any knots. So after I am satisfied with my first part that I plucked, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to part the second section, and then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing that I did when it came to the first part. So I'm just going to pluck. I'm really not going to go too much towards the middle part area, just stand towards the middle part of the hair. So I got my desired look for the second part, and I'm gonna park it. I'm gonna part it the third time, and then that is it, y'all. That is how I plug my wigs. A frontal is the same way, but I part it in 3 sections because it's from ear to ear. So just pluck. Keep plucking until you get the desired look, kind of until it's like not bald, but like you see it's not as thick as before, because you don't want it thick, you want it just like a natural hairline. So I did also part some hair on the area where you see the track. But yeah, after I do that, I'm going to fold the hair on back, and I'm going to pluck the front of it. That was satisfying to me, pulling that hair towards the other side in that middle part. But yeah, hot comb it, and that's how it looks, y'all. I didn't pluck the other side, but I went ahead and plucked it off camera, and that is how it looks. Look at that, y'all. Oh my god, if y'all go look at my old videos of me doing hair, y'all will see I did not pluck my wigs, okay? And they look a fool. But yeah, I plucked the middle part as well, on both sides. So same way, but not too much, okay? And some areas also have over bleached parts, but I'll go ahead and correct it using my curl dye pen. So yeah, but it turned out so good, and I really liked it, y'all. So I'm gonna hot comb it so I can make it flat, and I want to show y'all exactly what I do to cover up some of those areas that I over bleached and make that part smaller. This is the curl dye pen, and that's the one that Eric K uses. Well, when I don't know, he probably don't use them out, but when I seen it in his hair tutorial that they leaked on YouTube. But y'all, I'm just cutting the excess cap off, putting some makeup on it. Now I did put makeup from ear to ear because I don't want it to be white. Now come on, yeah, your wig might lift up or something, and you don't want to see no white cap under there. So go ahead and put makeup on it too. But look at the lace. Look how it is looking, okay? So I did make 3 dots just so that I could know exactly where to put the glue. And then I cut the tabs off on the closure on the end because you want everything to be seamless. I put 3 coats. I put 3 coats of glue on, and I made a thick glue line. That's how you make your wig stay on too. Don't make no thin line now. Make a thick line enough to where the glue is going to hold it for about a week, y'all. And then I'll be trying to get my middle parts right in the middle, y'all. Ooh, child. I be struggling with those because, baby, sometimes I might have to just put it on my head and then go ahead and like map out my middle part because, baby, I just don't be getting it right sometimes. But I did get it right this time, and I was like really trying to angle it to where it's going to be down in the middle of my nose. My face shape is so weird because like it's like kind of slanted, and I talked about this like years ago in my tutorials and stuff. Like, y'all see my face is just slanted. But yeah, I went ahead and put it exactly on the tip of where the glue begins, and I put the hairline area right there, okay? And I started mashing it down with the comb, and y'all, I plucked this good. Do y'all see that? Don't play with me. Don't play. Okay? So, I'm hot combing it just so it can be real sleek. Okay? And then that lace, this lace, y'all, Elfin lace, they didn't come to play. They didn't come to play because when I tell you it melted down and you don't see nothing white or anything like that, baby, I'm gonna start doing clothes from now on too because I feel like they wear more easier. So I did go ahead and just cut it down the middle, hold it that tab up where I'm going to put my baby hair, and then start going in zigzag motions. I would have used the razor, but I feel like the scissors were better at this point. So I cut that off, then I cut the other tab off camera. And y'all, this is how the lace is looking. I did go ahead and cut the other part off, and I'm going to use some of that dye because, like I said, I kind of over bleached it, but it's okay because I like doing it, only because those knots sometimes do not be getting, it will not be going on the knots. But this one was so easy to bleach the knots, y'all. Please check them out. I really love the knots on this wig, y'all. I cannot say this enough. I didn't put nothing in this hair but makeup, but the knots are not there. I'm going to take my little hot comb. I'm going to curl the curls up. Y'all, had a hard time doing these edges, okay, but I did get them to the point where I know exactly how to do them now. Like, I know exactly where I want them. So I went ahead and just basically curled them up, and I used some Gorilla Snot glue, some gel, and I started like swirling them, but coming more towards, like, you have to come towards the nose area and then kind of swirl them back, if you get what I'm saying, and not just swirl them back. I don't know, I'm not an expert at edges, but I try my best, okay? You have to learn, okay, sometimes, because baby, ain't nobody gonna be always there to do your hair. So I did go ahead and cut it short, like try to cut it short, really short, to where it's not hitting the eyebrows either. So y'all, I did also go ahead and use some Eben, some Eben gel, y'all. So I liked the Eben gel with it because it helped. Also, what helped is spritz, y'all. That pump it up spritz really helped me because it really made it to where it was laying down. I like it. I like that style. I like that style of edge. For me, it was just a quick 1-2. And yeah, y'all, really easy to do. And like I said, it is melted. It is melted in my head. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my band on, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. That's what I was saying. Well, I just did my brows, so I just want to show y'all how the lace is looking after I take this cap out because it was bothering me. And it was time to do foundation. So this is how it looks. Melted. Now, boom, the whole face. I really like this look. It was really pretty. I did have a outfit on Instagram. Go check out my Instagram, bmarie with 3 underscores, y'all. I had this outfit on and I just put it on. Like, I didn't like put it together. I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna put this on. I just put on anything and it was cute. Everybody was liking it. They was like, well, this is cute. And so yeah, I'm gonna take me some water and I'm gonna water this down. Honestly, what you can do is get you a bucket of water, dip that hair in there, and just start combing it. But what really made these curls stay is this kinky, curly, what is this? It's a gel. It's a gel, and it's going to make the hair stay like that. So you see the other side, the left side is puffy, and the right side is just like really beautiful, and those curls are really defined. It's going to stay like the right side where the curls are defined. If you don't put nothing like that and just put water on it, it's going to get poofy and revert back to the left side. Yes, don't forget to go check out Elfin hair in the description right below, and I'm gonna see y'all in the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. If you ever want some bomb hair like this, don't forget to go check it out in the description right below. It was very easy to maintain, y'all, and I will leave the link to the exact wig down there. If y'all like this, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, and I want y'all to interact because that's what's going to get my videos to the it's going to get it to the For You page. Not the For You page. Oh, this is not TikTok, girl. This is not TikTok. This is what's going to get my video to the main page where everybody clicks and sees. If they don't even know you, that's where my video goes. So I just need the interaction. I want the interactions to add up with the subscribers. Okay, y'all? So if y'all can go ahead and leave a comment down in the description right below, that would be bomb. Okay? Period. I ate this wig up, okay? I ate it up. But until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.